guys, how are you all? Today we're gonna make a video based on the Android 8.0 update on my Mate 10 Lite, and in this video I'm gonna show you the features that the 8.0 update adds to my Mate 10 Lite. Let's start the video. First thing is the navigation bar, which you can set by some simple steps. First, what you have to do is go to the settings, then system navigation, and simply turn on the navigation dot. So first, if you touch the navigation bar, it will take you to the previous screen, and if you release after touch and hold, it will take you to the home screen. If you hold and slide it, it will show you the frequently used apps, and you can drag it anywhere on the screen. It is easy and simple. The second thing is the app shortcut. You can tap and drag a shortcut to pin it to the launcher by these simple steps. First, long tap the app launcher and then drag it to the EMUI launcher. Simple. This Android update has also improved false touch protection function, which reduces unintended operations. Another great feature is the smart tip, which recommend you faster and smarter ways to operate your phone according to your usage habits. This update adds another feature to your Mate 10 Lite, which is private space, that enhances protection and privacy of your system. Texts and emails now let you sign the career details of your LinkedIn contacts. There is another feature that this update adds, which is the AI-based optimization. It delivers fluidity, stability, and speed. System boots faster, videos are more fluid, and thumbnail load rapidly. Settings are redesigned for a clearer organization, and gallery now stores deleted photos for up to 30 days, which you can restore with just a single tap. Phone manager is also simplified to make managing your device easier. With all these functions and features, there are some security patches, Google security patches, that are updated for your safety. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified about my future videos. Peace out.